So I got these really cool light panels, soft light for my setup. Being that I didn't want to spend 200 and something dollars on an Elgato key light, I try to look for something more budget friendly, something where I wouldn't have to break the bank. And I found these, and they seem to be pretty cool. They come with a power cord where you could charge them up. It has an integrated battery. You don't have to keep taking the battery in and out. It's just there. You can leave it plugged, or you can just charge them and then remove the plug, and they last about 3 to 4 hours. So let's get to it and let's see, does this bad boy really work? Are you wasting your money? Is it worth it? The $67 for each panel with no mount, no tripod, nothing. Or is the Elgato a better choice for you at $200 and something? I don't know. There's a lot of panels out there. But here on Tech for Rec, the goal is to save money so that we can get other products that are going to help us stream better, make better content, and just have an overall creative mindset with, at the same time, saving our money to do other things that are needed. Overall, the panel is pretty durable. It's not heavy. It's pretty lightweight. In fact, it's awesome. The only thing is a square panel, and other lights coming nowadays in 2022 are kind of roundish. I don't really care for roundish or square. It doesn't matter. I need lighting, and that's what's important. The link to all these products will be in the description of this video, just in case by any chance you felt like getting the same panel or other panels that will be listed in the description that may cost even cheaper than this one here at hand. Overall, I think the setup looks pretty cool with the lights. I put one of them on a Elgato desk mount, and I got that desk mount just because I wanted to do the comparison. That desk mount at the present time is at about 50 something bucks. In fact, I think it's 60 bucks with tax and everything. On the other Regitech mount that looks just identical to it, it's at $33. It comes out to like a few dollars extra than that with tax and all. Prime, if you have Prime, you're good. The links will be in the description to those also, although I have a video coming on the comparison to those two. But just in case, so the RaLeno panel is awesome. It's dimmable. You can put it up. I normally keep them at 40% and 32 kels because I turn on my front light from time to time. Depends how you want your picture coloration and your skin tones to appear. Excuse the mess. I'm doing a lot of tech stuff for you guys and for the channel to show people how to grow and what to buy that actually you won't break the bank. Companies are robbing us all on the daily basis and having us buying products that don't even work. Nowhere near the way other products work that cost twice or even 3 times less of the amount. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, and hopefully I'm able to word this in a proper way so that you do understand. But the lighting is awesome, guys. And look at my setup. I always include little things that you can buy, and I show different light settings there. The other one was a little warmer. This one is super bright, so you can see that they could blow anything to a point where you blind it nearly, but you don't have to have them up that high. This is an awesome webcam I found while doing this search for the panels for 30 bucks. They had one before that was at $18 by Sui Rui, a company in China. And let's keep in mind, some people get out of control, or it's a China company. Welcome to the tech world where most of the stuff is made, guess where, guys? In China. Yeah, so the panels, do they work? Should you get them? Do I recommend them? Of course, they're awesome. You don't have to go out and spend $200 and something on one key light from Elgato. But if you have the money and you want the luxury of dimming the lights on and off in the software from Elgato, then by all means, go ahead. Because you cannot incorporate the RaLeno lights in software. You have to get up and dim them yourself. I don't have a problem with that. In fact, I think some of the software Elgato is incorporated is making our people lazier. But, you know, I guess it's a good thing. I'm not saying I'll never get them, but for right now, I'm into saving my money to do other things that humans and grown-ups have to do in life, like make content, buy other products, and at the same time pay bills and feed the family. So look at there. Awesome. At 132 Kels, and it's still blowing up the room. It's the only light on. Just one panel is on. Link in the description for these panels. I think they're awesome for the price point. Again, I'll put the other ones there also that come with the knobs in the back that are like $44. So you have an option if you're working on a budget. And them speakers that you see there, I have a video coming up on those too. Awesome speakers for under 20 bucks. Everything I buy is a bang for your buck. How can you tech like the pros with less money? Thank you. I'm grateful. Hopefully you guys like this video. Share, comment, and sub if you enjoy this content or got any value out of it, so that I get motivated to make more videos for all of us. Thank you guys. Again, I'm 1,000,000% grateful.